So you've built a great NotebookLM, and now your team needs access to it. In this video, I'm going to show you the different ways to share a notebook, when to use each one, and exactly what your teammates can and can't do depending on their access level. First, open up the notebook you want to share. Head over to the top right corner and click the Share button. The sharing panel will pop up. From here, you can type in your teammate's email address or even enter multiple addresses at once. Next, you'll want to choose their permission level. Just click the Access drop-down right here. Viewer. They can read the sources, interact with the chat, and explore outputs like the audio overview. However, they cannot add new sources, upload documents, or edit notes. Editor. They get the exact same access as you. They can upload new sources, add and edit notes, and ask questions. You'll want to use this for your active collaborators. Once you're ready, click Send. They will receive an email invite and can open the notebook directly from it. Keep in mind that a NotebookLM account isn't required just to view the notebook, but they will need a Google account if they need to edit it. Now for the second method, sharing with anyone using a single link without having to enter individual email addresses. Inside the sharing panel, click the Access drop-down at the top and select anyone with a link. Click Save and then click Copy Link. Now you can paste it into Slack, an email, or wherever your team communicates. Anyone who opens this link can instantly interact with the notebook, asking questions in the chat, listening to the audio overview, or exploring the sources. Just one important note here. People who access your notebook via link are granted viewer access only. They can ask questions and explore, but they can't add sources or edit anything. Also, if you are on a Google Workspace account, link sharing is typically restricted to people within your same domain, meaning your company's email domain only. If you head back to the NotebookLM home screen, you'll notice that notebooks that have been shared show a small people icon right on the notebook card. This makes it super easy to see at a glance which ones are shared. If you ever need to change or revoke someone's access, simply open the notebook, click Share again, find their name in the user list, and click Remove Access. Those changes will take effect immediately. And that is how you share a NotebookLM with your team. It is completely free to use at notebooklm.google.com. If this walkthrough helped you out, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.